Hello everyone, Kostas here, and to this video I'm gonna show you not the channel builder AI, but once again I'm gonna show you Vidnoz AI and how you can easily create a video using the option video from a URL. Okay, let's move on. So we're gonna create a video about the channel builder AI. Okay, that's another great offer that you can easily create shorts, and it's really amazing. You can create anything you want. You can find easily the link to my description or even to affiliate pal. So let's grab this link over here and let's move to Vidnoz AI. Inside Vidnoz AI, you're gonna see that you got something amazing. You have here on the side the AI Vidnoz tools. So if you select this this button, you're gonna see that we have the AI photo avatar, AI video translator, AI image to video, URL to video. It's the one that we're gonna use right away. AI video enhancer, export avatar only, AI text to video, AI video highlights, video AI dubbing, and AI dancing photo, online recorder, AI video compressor. Okay, you see, we can even try something like that online recorder to create a video from anything else, and we can just capture our page. But let's go straight away to URL to video and try this feature to see what is gonna happen. I'm gonna click generate videos. Okay, I'm gonna have to add the supported URL. Let's try again. Okay, after checking over here, we're gonna see that Vidnoz AI, it provides you this feature totally free. You can see that you can generate your video for free, but the point is that it supports Vidnoz AI URL, supports Amazon and Google Play Store. Okay, so let's go straight to Amazon and try to create a video from Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna find a nice product right away. Okay, we can create a video about this one, wrap bin short sleeve shirt for women, pleated v-neck lace blouse, and blah blah. Okay, I'm gonna get the link from here. I'm gonna get the affiliate link and test it to see if it's working or not with Vidnoz AI. Let's try and paste it this time, this URL, and try to generate the video. And let's see now what is gonna be the result. It looks like it's working. Okay, what happened now? We have the product name. We don't have a product description, so we're gonna have to write the description. Maybe it couldn't find anything from here. Let me try and see if we have. Okay, we got this description. Sorry. And the interesting part is that it grabbed all the pictures from Amazon. Okay, and I can even add more pictures if I want. Let's try and ask over here. I'm gonna ask AI to give me a description. Okay, to add it here. Let's try right away. Okay, I can see that the AI came up with this description. Let me show you. And we got here the styling tips. We have size recommendation. Let's add everything here to see if we are more than 4,000. Okay, I guess we're just fine. Okay. I can even add the product description and specification, and I can even add one more content here. Let me try to paste everything. Okay, and it seems like we're not more than 4,000 um, characters, so I'm gonna just click next and see what's gonna happen. Okay, and now we have the target audience, so we can even select here women, plus size, body positive, inclusive sizing, modern women, fashion forward. We can select everything if we want, okay, because it's what it's proposing. And I can even add more tags, okay. Video language is English, and it's gonna be to video platform 9 to 16. Maybe it's gonna be it's gonna be too much for this one. Let's try to add it for yeah, we can try to add it to 9 to 16 and click next. Okay, and boom, we got our video. Let's try and see this one.
Looking for a wardrobe essential that ticks all the boxes?
Okay, this one looks really exciting, and it says here that lip sync will be available after generating. Okay, listen again how natural it sounds.
Embracing body positivity and diverse sizing options. Made from premium 100% cotton, it's comfy and chic for any occasion.
Okay, it's gonna be about 1 minute, so I can just try to generate and see the full result. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, we got the video. Let's try and see the whole result. Okay.
Looking for a wardrobe essential that ticks all the boxes? Meet the Cashin plus size women's short sleeve t-shirt. Perfect for modern women embracing body positivity and diverse sizing options. Made from premium 100% cotton, it's comfy and chic for any occasion. Rock the stylish mermaid scale print in black or white for a whimsical touch. With a versatile crew neck and regular fit, it's ideal for layering or standalone style. Pair it with jeans for a casual vibe, leggings for virtual meetings, or a skirt for a night out. At $19.99 to $20.99, it's a steal for quality and style. Easy care and durable fabric ensure long-lasting wear and prints. Eyes women's short sleeve t.
Okay, that's really, really interesting and really amazing. You see that you can create for free your own video from a URL, and you can easily add it even as an affiliate or even for your own product. Okay, of course we have the limitation that we can scrape and create the video only from Google and Google Google Play Store and Amazon. Okay, the point is that the video is so natural, it's so nice that you can easily promote any affiliate product, or you can just inform your customers. Okay. I hope you found this video interesting and you enjoyed it too. If you enjoyed, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of AI tools, and we're gonna test a lot of those tools together. Okay. Thank you very much, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.